Yo guys, what is going on? In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys get a live bot. And as you can see right here, this is actually a live bot. I'm controlling it through this website, so I can do like any skins. For example, if we put on the aerial assault, you can control the live bot through this website. So as you can see, it puts on aerial assault trooper. It's pretty cool. Make sure to watch the full entire video. I'll be doing a tutorial on how to get this. And if you guys want more tutorials like this, make sure to like and subscribe. And let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is you guys want to go into the link of the description, which is a bit.ly link. That bit.ly link will redirect you to a recognized link, which is this one right here. There's two steps right here. The first one is this one. So just press subscribe. I went on and subscribe to myself. And then go on the bottom one, subscribe to my friend Shadow. And then subscribe to him. As you can see, you have to wait about 15 seconds. And once that happens, just wait for the link to unlock. It takes about 15 seconds like it says right here. And then press unlock link. It's going to take you to a link for ties, so press I'm not a robot. And then press free access with ads, discover interesting articles, wait about 7 seconds. Discover related topic, click any of these, exit out, and then press continue to Fortnite Dev. And then download Fortnite Dev. And then press save, and it's going to download, and then press yes. It's going to open up a pop-up, press next, skip all, and then open. Now this will take you to the Beacons AI link, which has all the links from my tutorials. So for this specifically, it's RexFN, and it says RexFN Dev. That's just because RexFN also has a live bot in a Discord server. So that will redirect you to the RexFN Discord server, and once you guys are here, there's a lot of channels. It's going to be confusing, but make sure to agree to these rules, and then go into the anywhere all platforms. Now you can do this on any platform. You can get this live bot on mobile, you can get this on console, you can get this on Nintendo Switch, basically any platform as long as you have Discord installed. So you don't want to go on hybrid because that's where the dev is. Anywhere is basically where the live bot is. So go on how to use, and then go on to the RexFN Anywhere website, which is another link for ties. Press I'm not a robot, free access with ads, discover interesting articles, and then close this out. Discover the topics, bam, bam, continue to website. And then press download website, save. Double click on download, press yes. Next, skip all, open. And that's going to take you to this website. If it asks for an authorization code, go on to the code generator and then go through the same process, and it will take you to a website which generates codes which you can input into the system. So press launch, and then there you guys go. The top, it's going to say username to add. So this is the live bot that you want to add. So for example, launch up Fortnite, and I'll show you guys what to do. Also, you guys can see that there's different tabs in here, like backlinks, emote, pickaxes, new items, and stats. Basically, for this, you can actually change your level. New items are upcoming items that are unreleased or released that have been released very recently. And as you guys can see, there's emotes as well. So, as you can see, we're in Fortnite. So, let's just add the live bot. I already have him added, so I don't really need to do anything. See, I already have him added right here. So go on your friends list and then press join party. And then if you guys want to control it, just go through this website and you guys can put any skin. For example, the Wonder skin. Right here. And then you guys can press put this skin. It's going to put on the Wonder skin. You guys can do emotes too. You guys can do... yeah, and you guys can do backlinks as well. Black shield. There's a lot of stuff here. You guys can let's just do like, I don't think you guys can do like actual the OG styles for pink gold. No, I don't think there's a way to actually put the pink gold trooper on. I think it's just regular, unfortunately. But that's okay because there's a lot of other things that you guys can do. As you guys see, look how much skins that you could put. It's insane. The list just goes on and on forever. Psycho Bandit. It's insane, guys. And let's do some of the new items that just came out recently. So Sid. Definitely a cool skin right there. Unstuffed Guff. I like this skin. This skin's pretty cool. The uncovered core. That's definitely cool. Medley. Let's just take off the back bling for a sec. And there you guys go. Extremely clean right there. And yeah, that's basically gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy and you guys want more lobbybot videos and Fortnite Dev videos and Fortnite tutorials in general, make sure to like and subscribe. And before I go, I just want to mention, please use my supporter creator code FCYT, as it motivates me to post more videos for you guys and shows me that you guys actually show support. So pop in the code FCYT and I will be gifting some of you guys. On my main account, I do have a lot of V-Bucks, so I'll be gifting some of you guys to actually do use my code. So, and yeah, that's going to be the end of the video. Like I said earlier, I'll see you all on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Peace.